What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope everybody's having a good day. Now today we are finally going to be switching back wheels. It's been about what, like 3 weeks?
Yeah, let's see.
About 3 weeks. Got a little baby with me right now. So it's been about 3 weeks I've been running Herman's wheels. These are the Black Diamond wheels. You guys have been asking about what wheels do you have? What wheels do you have? Yeah, these are the Black Diamond wheels. So they're 20s. Sit pretty good on my car, I feel like. Herman's selling them, so I'm gonna give them back. And I'm gonna get my wheels back. So Herman's gonna have to do all the work.
I know.
Because I'm with this guy over here. But yeah, putting back my wheels. These are ambit RT8s. These wheels are pretty legit. I like how wide they sit on Herman's car too. Like plus 15s. So he has spacers on there, so they're plus, or they're 25 mil spacers, right? So then it's technically he's running a -5 all around, which is pretty insane.
Yeah.
He pokes so much on my car, on his car.
I think if I was to not run spacers, it would sit perfect.
On the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, because he poked hard, huh?
Yeah.
Really, really hard.
Yeah, that it fucking sticks out like. Yeah, dude, look at how far that sticks out.
Yeah, it pushed out my fender a little bit when you aired out.
Yeah.
So Herman's running on bags too, if you guys didn't know. And when he lowered out, like he kind of, the wheels wouldn't even sit all the way down because the tires would just push out his fender, and it was just like he would just max out right there. It's pretty crazy. That poke though, god damn. Now she is looking pretty clean. I just washed her the other day. She's a little dirty, but not too bad. But she's looking way better. Let me know in the comment sections below what you guys think about the wheels when we get to it, like the 18s versus 20s, 19s. Let me know what you guys think. I'm currently thinking about selling my wheels. Still debating on it, and I don't know what I would get actually if I did. I really want some like, it's like the work styles. Yeah, they're called work emotions, and they're like that style. Like they're like the 5-spoke style, almost like the OEM ones, but not really. I'll show a picture of it on the screen to let you guys know. But what do you think I should do? Should I just keep my current ambits and just go lower? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section.
The Autohon VS02s.
Those ones that look like the work, the black.
No, these ones are different.
Or is that?
These ones have well, actually, yeah, they kind of do look like that. Yeah.
What's up, buddy? Damn, Herman's getting all kinds of new parts. Lucky motherfucker. Get out of there. Hey, not my lug nuts. I told you. We're gonna take off Herman's hood because he's getting a carbon fiber one, that motherfucker. Ass. Just kidding. That's pretty cool. There's a guy that's parking out his car, so he's gonna get a carbon fiber one. And we're gonna take off his hood real quick. It's just what, these bolts right here?
Yeah. These
3?
And then you gotta take off the.
So it looks like he just put off, so we're gonna have to take off like pretty much the trim pieces that, or the latches, whatever. This one is the like 212s right here, and then you got like a clip right here, I would assume, and then I don't know how these come out, but maybe they just like pop out once you have this clip released. There's another clip over here on this side. So these like hood latches, and then pretty much unbolt those 3 bolts over there, and we're good. Alright, so Herman's car is on jack stands for the time being. We're actually gonna go get some food real quick and then come back and put mine on. and then put my old wheels on and put my wheels on my car, and then put his. So like I said before, he's selling his wheels. So he's actually going out to Arizona tomorrow to go sell them, and I am going to be staying here, I guess. All right, so we just got back to Herman's house. I'm gonna go ahead and switch off the wheels now. Looking forward to getting those wheels back on my car. See how they look. I kind of forgot how they look. Picked up my son too, Jason. Hi, Jason. Sign back on.
Hey!
I actually put on my actual valve cover, or what was it? Engine cover, right? It's just the engine cover.
Yeah.
I ordered this thing like a long time ago because the other one was broken. It's all over. It's pretty cool. They had 20s for like 3 weeks, for like a month.
Yeah.
And then now I'm back to the 18-inch life. I still like my wheels. I don't know if I should sell them or not. But it's back to the 18-inch life, and it's back to the bronze life. It was fun while it lasted.
Gauntlet.
Gonna do it for today's video. Pretty much just switching wheels and getting back my old wheels. And Herman's gonna be doing a lot of stuff to his car soon, so stay tuned for that, guys. Hope you guys really like this video, and please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and you'll see some more content coming soon. I am gonna be doing some more lowering mods pretty soon, so I can't wait for that. But if you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, later. Peace.